Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Pulse. Today we are going to learn how to completely uninstall Flutter and Android Studio from your Windows PC. This tutorial will work for both Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now the reason I am making this video is because many people face errors while reinstalling Flutter or Android Studio, and most of the time it's not because of the new installation itself, but because of the old residual files left behind from a previous setup. These leftover files like SDK folders, environmental variables, cache and emulator data can cause errors such as Flutter not recognized or emulator not starting properly. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove Flutter, Android Studio and all the related files completely. Clean your path environmental variables. Make sure your system is ready for a fresh error-free installation. So now let's get started. First of all, open your control panel and click on Uninstall a program. Here you can find Android Studio. First click on it and click on yes. Now click on Android user settings too. Check this box too. Click on next and let's uninstall Android Studio first of all. And there Android Studio is uninstalled. Now close. Now go into here, open your C drive and first of all click on, let's go into our folder. This folder can be different for you guys, but basically it's the folder where you have installed your Flutter SDK files, where you unzipped your Flutter. So come here you can find Flutter and just shift plus delete in order to permanently delete this folder. And then you can see this Android folder. Basically this is the folder in which you have those Android SDK files. When you install the Android Studio, then there is a folder where you install those Android SDK files. Basically it's that folder. So you can see inside SDK. So you also delete this folder too. This folder can be at different location for you depending upon how you did the installation. So just find this folder. It will be most probably, by default this folder is usually inside the users. I will show you where this folder is by default. Let me first clear mine. Just click shift delete and completely delete this folder. This will delete all the SDK files which you downloaded during the Android Studio installation. And now let me tell you where this folder might be for you if you followed the default installation. This folder will be inside users, and here basically this is my user. It can be, just find your username here, open your username, and by default this box here is unchecked, hidden files. You need to check it in order to enable the hidden file section here. Now click on AppData. Again I am telling you, if your Android SDK folder is in the default path, you will find that folder here. In these folders there will be a folder named Android, and inside that folder your SDK files will be there. So just delete that folder too. Now that we have deleted our Android SDK folder, well, now I will show you how to delete the residual files. First of all, find a folder named here pub. Just click on P from your keyboard. It will automatically find that folder here, pub. These are the files of Flutter Android Studio, just 395 MB. It's very important to remove this folder. Just shift delete it and permanently delete this folder too. See here, so many files. These were the files which were culprit for your Flutter Android Studio not reinstalling properly. So just delete these files, and now there will be a folder here main.kts.compiled.cache. Also delete this folder too. Just permanently delete this folder. Okay, now we have most probably deleted all our folders from here which were causing the problems. Also this .server folder, you also have to delete this folder too. So just delete this folder too. Just follow everything I am doing in this video, and I'm sure that every file related to the old installation will be deleted and your reinstallation will be totally smooth. And well, also there will be a folder named Google. Go inside it, and here it is, Android Studio. Delete this folder too. There it goes. And well, this is mostly cleared. Yeah, this folder is cleared. AppData folder AppData Local is clear. Now go into the roaming folder. Here you can see 3 files of Flutter. Just click on them and delete them permanently. Yeah, there it goes. Also this folder here, dart tool, remove this too. Okay. Can find the Google folder here named Google. Click on it, and here this is, just delete this Android Studio folder. It's gone too. And now just open this folder for a surety purposes too. Here there is nothing related to Android Studio. Now again we are inside our user. Here you will see this folder, Studio Projects. Delete this. Basically this is the folder where your Android Studio projects which you make are. So if you want to save these projects or make a backup of them, you can just copy this folder into add some other location, but you have to delete this folder from here too. But if you want to save your projects, you can make a backup of them, like open this and copy all these projects and save them to some other folder. But for now we'll delete it. Yes, delete this folder too. And here you can see emulator console, delete this file too. And well, I think all the files and folders are deleted. Let's just go into AppData again. Yeah, all the files are completely deleted. All the files which were needed to delete have been deleted. Now for the final step, let's go into right here, environmental variables. Edit the system environmental variables, click on environmental variables, go into paths. This is the Flutter SDK path which we give. Delete this path too, and there you go. And that's it. Okay, okay, and okay. And well, that's pretty much it for this video. I assure you that if you have followed all the steps which I took in this video, then your Flutter and Android Studio will be completely removed from your system, and when you will reinstall those softwares, then you won't face any errors. But please make sure that you follow every step which I took in this video in order to successfully remove the Flutter and Android Studio from your system. And well, now if you want to reinstall the Android Studio and Flutter in your systems, and you want to do it in the correct way so that you won't face any errors during the installation process, for that purpose I will leave the link of our video down in the description, in which we discuss that how can we install the Flutter and Android Studio properly on our systems, no errors, working 100%. Just make sure that you follow that tutorial properly, and I assure you that you won't face any errors in the installation of Flutter and Android Studio, and you can completely configure them without any error for mobile application development. And well, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find these videos which I make useful, then please like and subscribe. And well, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.